where you say aging is a disease?
Well, so aging as a disease is a shock to most people because we thought we knew what aging was. But what I'm saying is that we should look at aging as we do a disease. Definition of a disease is that over time you lose function, you become decrepit, disabled, and eventually, if it's a bad disease, you die from it. That sounds a lot like aging, right? And if you go to the medical dictionary, the only difference between aging and a disease is that a disease affects less than half the population. So if aging affected 51%, as we do, we separate it from disease. If it was affecting 49%, we'd be studying this and putting billions and billions of dollars into trying to solve it. And that 50% cutoff is completely arbitrary. The problem with having aging separate from disease, and remember, it's just a word definition. It's not a biological difference. They're actually totally intertwined. Aging is the major cause of all major diseases on the planet. But we put it into a separate category, partly because of history, because we didn't understand it. It seemed natural, whereas cancer was unnatural. But it's all natural. And we've always fought against diseases like cancer and heart disease. We didn't know how to until recently. Same with aging. But we're at a point now, like we were with cancer 30, 40 years ago. We now understand, we think, what drives the process. And we're having some really great success in the lab and in some clinical trials with people of being able to at least slow down, and some evidence that even reversing aging is possible. And when you can do that, then I think we should start taking aging as a disease very seriously.
So in your opinion, we're at that point where we can slow aging and it is reversible?
In mice, it's pretty easy. It was shockingly easy, but we're not mice, so we have a bit of work to do. But there are a number of studies that are already published that you can reverse aspects of aging in people, boost their immune system, improve endurance, improve metabolism. In fact, there's a drug on the market called metformin, which we may delve into a little, which is our best guess is it's a longevity molecule. It actually slows down aging because diabetics who take this molecule are relatively resistant to heart disease and cancer and Alzheimer's and frailty, even though they have diabetes. And we think that if healthy people or pre-diabetics take this drug, they'll also be protected. But yeah, it's here right now. That's what I'm trying to say in my book, and that there are things we can do with our lives today, and there are things that are coming down the pike just a few years from now.